So good afternoon everyone. Today our topic was web scraping is nothing but fetching the data from web page. And for this project we need three libraries: requesters, pandas, BeautifulSoup. The purpose of requesters library is to send the HTTP request to the web page, and the second library pandas it is mainly used to structure the data in tabular form, and third library, which is very important library in our project, we are going to using, and the BeautifulSoup it is mainly used to fetching the data, relevant data from web page. And so let's go to the code. I will explain line by line. I hope you all of you understand this. So first line of code contains URL, and second line you are sending request to the URL. So we are sending the request to web page through the URL. And yeah, third line of code we have created soap object and BeautifulSoup. It is a response.test contains raw data, and HTML.parser contains original data. So next one, soap.find, you are fetching, you are finding the table which is there, which is our data contains, which is our data is there in table. In the table is present in wiki table. We are finding first the class wiki table. In that the table data is there which you want data. The data is there in table, and after that we are create empty list. The name was data. So after that we finding the table rows and rows in columns which contains our relevant data. So if length of columns greater than 1, and you are fetching, you are finding the index 1 and index 2 data. The index 1 index 2 contains the country and population details which you want the details of that. And get underscore test if equal to true means it won't contain any spaces between them. And if population dot replace what is digit is true, and data is appended about the data of country and population is appended to empty list. And after that your data framing by using pandas library, country and population, it only contains country and population details. That's the way we are data framing using pandas library. And last line of code is we are just printing the details, and it will show the details of country and population from web page through the link URL. So this is the code, and understand this line by line and practice more. Understand this? Yeah, thank you.